Once upon a time, there was a melody, longing for a voice to make it come alive.
And the melody would cry, echoing through the empty world.
In a silent place, no one hears the music play. Once upon a time, there was a story born, waiting for a sound to bring it to the world.
But the story say untold, waiting so silently. Message of hope, message of time, message of happiness. It's a song for love, it's a song for living. It's a song to sing when you're far apart.
It's a song for love, it's a song for living.
It's a song to sing with all of your heart.
Once upon a time, there was a melody. Once upon a time, there was a story born.
And though many years went by, no one could hear the melody.
No one ever knew of the other story. Now there is a voice to sing some melody. Now there is a voice to have the story told.
And the song is for